Once in a jungle, there lived an elephant named Ellie. Ellie had one big problem: he sneezed very loudly. One day Ellie sneezed so hard that all the bananas fell off the trees. Monkeys danced with joy, shouting, "Thanks, Ellie." Next day he sneezed again and made the river splash. The fish said, "Whee, a free ride!" Then Ellie felt sad. "My sneezes are too noisy," he sniffled. But the jungle animals made a sign. Poinsat, "We love your sneezes. You're our hero." From that day on, Ellie proudly sneezed a choosero, and the jungle cheered.